Kaneki, you may tell you Canada. I want to tell me love over here, you know. Yeah, than a broad.
You see the room do? Lick them people. Lick them people. Blood clot are licking them.
Don't tell your mother send it up in your...
That one you saucy. So now, I'm going to talk about Queenie and Dowey again.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, bless you, love and greetings. Good morning, good morning. Give thanks to life, give thanks to health and strength, give thanks to another day. So may I say, give thanks for the little that you have. Give thanks for your continuous support. Gratitude is a must. Big up all of the real people on the platform. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. Please consider subscribing. The choice is yours. Zan.
The vibes right, pick up on table, somebody fine nice. You select that, turn it up and never night. Fuck with rum, then you better find white.
Yes, man, so I don't know all love and blessings, you know. Why so we keep it real on the battlefield, and you don't know growth. Things takes time. Not for them to believe in the thing, but God did, God does. Zip
people and shoes, me tees are half white. Zara on the jeans, let me taxi the price.
Yes, man, so big up all of the fan them, active, inactive, everybody. One unity, our scrutiny, see? And the man of pace. Yeah, man, so coming up in this episode here, we have a lady on TikTok, goes by the name of Kashelly York. She's giving her views pertaining to Queenie and Dowey.
Nation and rape every hand to the sky. Marco in at the place, every girl I get wild. You see style.
Yes, man, you also have Dowey, a one part of Canada. Him and him Virgin, him artist brother roll, and I will have vibe. So we are showing you go on.
Everybody get active.
Yes, man, and the song wanna say a chip in and a chip out. Is a song titled Aktiv by an artist who me I watch a grow, and he's getting better and better in his delivery. He goes by the name of Big Bad Marco. Zine? Yes, the song name Aktiv. Yeah, man.
But girl I drink any and a pop pill. They never believe in this, but God did. Me want to the world dance get active.
Alright, so we go at the end of the vlog. We go a little snippet of the video, and you can go over and page, go watch it, because I know we can't play the thing straight up because of copyright rules and them thing there. Yeah, you know YouTube's there already, so stay tuned and watch out the vlog to the end so you can enjoy the vlog and relate and react in the comment section. See? Yes, man. So I don't know where forward.
Walk one people, remember to live good and stay out of trouble.
Walk on people, make sure to live good and stay out of trouble.
Alright, big up on yourself. Welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share. Winter is here. Cool front. But anyway, you know, Queenie and Dowey situation, I touched on it a lot of times. Big up Queenie, big up Dowey. Zine, I always try to give my positive feedback and impact on the relationship. It's toxic, Zine, and trust me, it's traumatizing for both parties. Mostly Dowey. Because you know Dowey, he did what he did, but maybe he must bend in mind to do it. Just forget his papers or come to the UK. Opportunities, should I say. I don't want to say papers, sweet sound. You know, like say, yeah, but forget opportunity to leave Jamaica. See? Much Dowey interview with Muscle. And to it sound, I don't know, I may be wrong, but my intake on it, I know psychologically, you know what I mean, we are observant, search, and you know what I mean, and so some doesn't sound like Dowey wants to come back because he was asked a question and they say, watch, I see. It's like a movie, you know, and anyway, this young lady, I think she's from Trinidad or one of them Bayesian accent, you see me? She need Kashelly, yeah, hear what she say.
Hot drama, that one you saucy. So now, I'm going to talk about Queenie and Dowey again. First of all, I am tired. Queenie, I like you, you know. I like you so much, but you keep on disappointing us. And then when you come back, yeah, and then when I cuss Dowey, you're going to cuss our back. So like right now, we reach to a point where we do your way what do you, man. Do your way what do you, because I want this. Eh? Do you don't see? Queenie, you as a big woman, you forget better sense than that. Like, let us be real, we all saw it coming. We all saw it coming. A woman your age picking up a young chicken like that, you understand, and giving him his papers. What you think would have happened? You think I would have lived happily ever after? Stop living in denial. And that is why I'm convinced something is wrong with Queenie mentally for sure, because ain't no way you would think, yeah, that a guy that age will actually stay with you and settle with you. Time for reality kick in, Queenie. Time for somebody tell you truth. That boy never wanted you, and I know the harsh truth. And I'm sorry if what I'm about to say is going to make you feel some kind of way. But this boy never wanted you. Not for 1 second. He did what he did to get his papers and to start himself. But then again, who can blame him? Everybody out here hustling and life hard, no bombo. Place hard, brother. You know? You gotta do what you gotta do, mate. But yeah, Dewey is an ungrateful croco sack. It's an ungrateful warm. That is what it is. I know something me can't cuss on top of TikTok because I know how TikTok's strict. So when me want say me can't really say. So me try to filter you out in the best way possible. You get me? But anyway, Queenie, we tired. Dewey don't use you, forget what you want. Leave Dewey alone. You do your song and say, do your suck out your catches and them things. Alright, Queenie, we get it. But you need to find a man around your age group. That is the only kind of man will take you serious. Let us be real. Because you're not a bad looking old woman. You're not bad looking. So I mean, I understand, like, leave this boy, Queenie. Take my advice. Leave this boy alone. Leave him alone. He will bring you nothing but problems. He will bring you nothing but problems.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, you agree with the lady? Yes, enough people agree, and people have to say these young boys, them don't want a big woman, I just use them when I use them. Likewise, vice versa, the young girl them don't want a big man, I use them when I use them. Because I know man will send for young girl and then get, as them reach them gone, cut left them. Big man them used to work with, have them pension, have them money. See? And them get used, bring the girl come off foreigner. So it work both ways. In Dewey situation, the social media played a part in their relationship. Me don't know, honestly, I don't know if Dewey did really love Queenie or him just that pretend play the game all along these years just to get the opportunity. Me don't know. But Dewey say him love Queenie, And I don't know Queenie love her Dewey. So we can't just bash Queenie and I say, she get used and she knows that this is going to happen. You have some young youth who check for some big woman. Yeah, man, you have some young youth who check for some big woman. And it's all about the heart and the conscience and the mind and the soul and the gratitude. So, but Queenie being so vulgar, loud, very characteristic behavior is very, out of character. You know what I mean? And how she operates on social media and so. That played a part in their relationship, you know what I mean? The disgraceful things. Him and him, she and him and them thing then, And Mr. Dewey also said on muscle interview he did, it's a certain private stuff like within their life, she reveal it and expose it. So maybe that let them think that hurt him too, because we're staying at the bedroom and Queenie come out and talk everything. And that's what Dewey said on the interview. And you can go watch it. He said certain private stuff like bedrooms, she come out and talk. You know what I mean? And them things. So, me don't know if I come back. Do it. Let me do the thing. The lady, she talks some factual stuff, you know what I mean? And we still can't bash Queenie because at the end of the day, she's a human and she's not perfect. She's seeking love. She seek love. And she try to find that person. And she said she always wants to get married. You see me? Yes, but... Ah boy, I don't know. Let me know anything in the comment section still, you see. But anyway, moving on.
Aktiv. Tell the haters them so we got bricks. Vibes at your fucking black traffic. We get active.
Man, do with that one part of Canada, so watch where I go on.
Don't tell your mouth, send it up in your child. Love, get me dick suck on night time and come for your tongue taste spots of it. In a rib cage and lock up our eye. Take it out of your mouth, send it up in your child.
Baby, make we hide and do it. Fuck sweet Palm Beach. Baby, make we thief do it. All when your boyfriend or people, you hide and do it. Baby, make we thief do it. She a say she love off the bomb, oh, he's so neat. Baby, make we thief do it. And she will fuck me anywhere, all in a rubbish heap. Baby, make we thief do it. Say she have a man. But when she want the fuck of me, she a call. Say she want me tear down the wall.
Hey, girl.
She want the hammer wet all.
Yeah, man.
Say she have a plan. She buy me everything when in the mall.
3 piece.
Say she want me tear down the wall.
Connect.
She want the hammer wet all. I don't do it, girl. No more food.
For repeat,
Look out
girl.
the big song here.
Hey,
Come
that's
on,
a
do
hit,
it.
man. Connect. You hear me
Oh,
tell
yeah,
you.
man.
Canada, I want to hear me love over here, you know. Yeah, than abroad.
Outside, a free world.
Buckler, I
Young
never
king
tell a
them.
lie. Never.
Oh,
Young
dear.
king.
Look out for
I
greatness.
1K, man, you hear?
One thing me have to tell you, world. Look out for your greatness.
That
link
is
up,
it.
Man, do a link up.
Never tell a lie. Trouble.
Greatness.
Greatness, you hear? Leg on my shirt. Right now, my jacket me, you know.
Clean.
Piece, connect.
Oh, I'm to your clean.
Out the door. Buckler.
No.
Alright, let's do it. Then bright and green, you know what I mean? Dewey say Canada nice. You know, I wish, you know, me personally wish Dewey all the best in his endeavors and in musical career and journey. You know what I mean? I hope he made the right choice, the right decision, and don't have to run back to Queenie. You know, because you know Queenie is still waiting. You see me I say? But anyway, yeah, I wish Dewey all the best, and that's all I have to say. You see me? I not go bash Dewey neither. You know what I mean? I always say if the relationship not work, then just move on, and before it get out of hand, you know, damage each other, beat up and draw each other blood and them things there. You see me I say? So just move on. That's some see. You see me I say? But let me know what you think of that, my viewers and subscribers. If you think Dewey ungrateful or him did use Queenie to come and get opportunities so him can travel, you know, leave Jamaica and can move, come to England or wherever, whatever. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See it? Alright, we're going to review the Big Bad song you know from Big Bad Marco. So me I say, big up myself, DJ Dowey, is a DJ Dowey production. So me I say, big up the Passport TV, big up Norfy. So me I say, so don't go nowhere. Alright, boom.
Damn man a dan, me call the shots, no fuss, no go on. Take a girl, she frost, no fuck, she fuck me dog. Man a star, we live the life, no fuck, we go on. Anytime we touch the road, the party start.
Nah, like what a piece of flow from Big Bad Malcolm and the rhythm, man a flow on the rhythm. If you listen keenly, all the visuals of the eyes them dazzled, active. The man say man a dan, me call the shots, no fuss, no go on. Take a girl, she frost, no fuck, she fuck me off. Star life, man star we live the life. You see what I say? Anytime we touch the road, the party start. Yeah man, the song Aktiv.
Them style and no regular, dog them a chip chop on the cellular. Think say you ready, but this you not ready for. Just drop a brick pan fat pussy Erica.
Yo, what Big Bad Marco change the flow, go up on an high key there. Them style and no regular, dog them a chip chop on the cellular. Think say you ready, but this you not ready for. Just drop a brick pan fat pussy Erica. Yeah, no brick when talk about the cash, though. Stack up.
Frost no fuck me dog, the party dog. Pass the weed me dog, which party gone? Road Nation a dance, cause the party ram. Dalvey a mix and me a sing song.
Yes, but me not lie, the video well coordinated with the song, the visuals, you know. Place cloudy, be a smooth. The man say pass the weed, which party gone? Whole nation out and a dance, got the party ram. Girl fear mix him while he sing the song. You see me I say the song name Aktiv by Big Bad Marco. You can go over and page and go check out the video. You see me I say? Yes man, big up yourself, Dowey.
Everybody get active, 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 active. But girl a drink any and a pop pill. They never believe in a this, but God did. Me want to the world dance get active.
Yes, Big Bad Marco, go on do your thing, man. None of them don't believe in the thing, but God did. I like the song. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think. You see me I say the artist name Big Bad Marco. Remember the name.
Active, active, active. Tell the haters them say we got bricks. Vibes at your fucking black traffic. We get active, the vibes right.